customizing biometrics, blending materials, customizing your experience. Welcome to Liquid Lab.
He knew the world would not be the same. Few people laughed. Few people cried. Most people were silent. Vishnu takes on its multi-armed form and says, "Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds."
Whee! What's going on? Fresh Cat? Oh, well, not Fresh Cat. I don't know why I said that. Fresh Cat Friday. I'm already excited for Friday, baby. We are already excited for fucking Friday, boys. What's poppin'? We're back. Another little action stream, power hour. I mean, something's got to happen, right? Right? All right. Something's got to happen here. Something. Right? Zord. What's up, Zord? The Janko. Is this live or recorded? I recorded this earlier. Right now, it is currently 2:49 in the afternoon. And we're getting into it, baby. Zord caught a 30-point short earlier. My guy, let me guess. Let me see. 30 minutes, 20 minutes ago. Okay, 20 minutes right here. Is that your short? This little bear flag? There to there? I bet it was. I bet it was. I knew it. I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it, chat. That's why you gotta love trading. Somebody says like, yeah, I took a short earlier. And then literally, boom. We know exactly where he shorted at. William Goff, you didn't know I traded live? I can't tell if you're trolling me or not. I can't tell. Ooh, been love watching you. Been trading futures for the past 5 years. Good trading is usually boring. Hey, that's what they say. I don't know. I mean, who really says? You know, who says that? I don't know. Who really? Who's right? Who's really saying that? You know. I think good trading can be fucking real fun too. You know. That's when it's. I think, as much as you want to say, oh, trading should be boring. Why? Why can't it be good? You know, why can't you be like, oh, look at that fucking bear flag, baby. I have to crush this bitch. You know, I'd rather be in on it. I'm gonna get pumped up. I want to fucking feel the moves in my bones, in my soul. All right, right now NASDAQ just kind of dipping down here, 15-minute chart. I think in end of day, we might get a nice little move here. Nice little move, end of day. Come on, NASDAQ. Let me get some of that good. I want some of that good, NASDAQ. Come on now. How y'all doing? Who's green, who's red on the day? Patrick, I made $123 million in the last week. What should you do with it? Well, if you go ahead and just give me 10%. Give me 10%, we'll call it even. Give me 10% and we will call it even. Ooh. Oh shit. I need to download something here. I gotta change this banner. Right now Apex is 90% off. I gotta change out this banner real quick. I was streaming on my other computer this morning. Wrong computer. Ooh. There we go. Now we looking good. Now it looks right. 90% off with Apex right now. It is boring in the professional space, I think. have you ever been to a professional trading space? You know? Have you? How would you know? Why does it have to be boring? Even if I had a professional trading room, I would still be all up in. I'd be like getting it all fired up. I want everybody fired up, baby. Making that money, money, money. What do I think? Higher or lower? Let's see. Well, that might be a trick question because we might just go sideways here as well. Ooh. What exactly is Apex? Well, Google calls Apex the apex predator. Bro, I love your attitude. How many happy geniuses are there? Are you saying I'm not a genius? I'm confused. Wait, are you saying that you don't think I'm a genius? You know what's funny is I've met a lot of really smart people. And to be honest, a lot of times being the smartest person in the room don't make you the best person. You know, like, you know, being smart is one thing, but being liquid, now that's the power right there, right? You gotta be ready for anything. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. I feel like if the move is going to happen, it's probably going to happen like at the end of day. You know, like that last 10, 20 minutes. So I'm trying to be real patient. I'm not going to get suckered into just like a little move right here. Because I know that at the end of day, we're going to get, you know, some better volatility, right? If we can just stay alive, just stick to the plan, patience, well, then I think we'll be all right by the end of the day. So patience is going to pay, my friends. If there was one thing that I could do to make this live stream better, what would it be, chat? On what time frame do I trade? Normally the 2-minute chart. Which, like, right now, we're starting a little pushback up here. We held this low for now. More Victoria. Damn it. That was the one thing that I was afraid of. Shave my head again. That would make it better. I don't know if that'll make it better or if it'll make me look more goofy. Don't worry. At some point, I'm probably going to have to shave my head for life. Once the baldness takes over. Because I'm definitely not going to be that guy with half a head of hair. No. I'm cutting it all off at that point. And I ain't going to get fucking no hair transplant either. I'm not going to be transplanting no hair from my fucking butt, from my butt to my head. I heard that's what they do when they hair transplant, right? More guest traders. I'm trying. It's not as easy as you think to get guest traders. It's a lot of logistics, you know? Scheduling, getting everything all set up. Luckily, we got Ginger working on that. That's like our full-time job now, is just trying to get fucking people to go on the live stream. How often do you trade live? Every morning, 9 a.m. Tune in. I don't know. You guys got to remember, too, people, you know, I'm trying to bring in people that are not influencers. You know, because, like, there's already enough influencers out there in the trading space. So, like, do I really need to bring them to the BDH? I would like to bring traders who are not influencers, people that are just, like, normal people in the chat, and hear about their trading story. I think that's more relevant than hearing about, you know, another influencer's live stream. So, when is Logan coming back to trade? Logan? Who's Logan? Dom says they take hair from the back of your head and then transplant it to the front. No. I looked it up online. They said that they use the hair on your butt. That's just what I heard. Jake. Yeah, not. Average Joe's. I would like to have Nutty Bar back. Nutty Bar would be fun. I wish Nutty Bar was like my neighbor. Me and Nutty Bar, we'd be best friends. Bring BDH Jade Cap. We're going to. Jade Cap will be here in June. And then Rips will be here in June as well. Rake Trades, Jake will be here in June. So yeah, we got a big cast of people coming. Gonzalo, bro, I saw your video from the guys in Chile. Oh, I'll hit you up. I'll drive you around. Just make sure you don't kill me. Zord's actually in the chat right now. Zord is here in the chat. I don't know if he's still here, but he was here earlier. That was Zord. Yeah, look at him. He's here. It's pretty funny. It's like Inception right now. We have the guy that was watching the live stream on YouTube. It's crazy, man. Zord, when are we gonna get Nathan? When's Nathan Florence gonna start trading prop firms? Tell me he already has. Come on. I want to hear about it. If you didn't see the video, this video is insane. Zord's here in the chat, by the way, right now. So, but look at this video. It's so funny. Look at Zord. Zord was so focused. He was on a trade right there.
It's gonna be is 10, 15.
There we go.
Ever. True story. Type's gonna be is 10, 15 plus, as good as it gets.
Ivan was so what?
I dream of one day short right now.
It's so funny. Literally, Zord's there with like Nathan and Ivan. They're talking about going back to pipeline, and you just hear in the background, "My dream one day. My dream one day."
Stay here for another 5 days.
Dude, you can tell Ivan was stressing. Oh man, that was a good one. It's funny because, you know, if you know Ivan and Nathan, it makes sense because I feel like Ivan would be totally happy surfing a pipeline for the rest of his life and just living out, chilling. Where like Nathan's like, I gotta go find some fucking weird ass wave to go try to kill myself. All right, NASDAQ right now sitting here at the 850 area. Trying to look to see if we get end of day move. Where's the next trip? Where are you going to? You gotta have a layover here in Miami at some point, Zord. When you come to the BDH, baby? Come on. We need the Zord Lord at the BDH. Bring trades by Matt. I think trades by Matt might come in June, actually. Been talking to trades by Matt, maybe coming in June. Got you again. I'll come have a trade-off with you. Winner takes 20,000. No, it's not how this works. This is what you do. If you want to have a trade-off with me, you should stick your head up your fucking ass. All right, NASDAQ dipping down here again. I want to be patient. If I'm gonna take a trade, like I want a good setup here, right? I just don't want to go and like jump into any little move that happens. We had a lot of volatility today. And we'll kind of see. Right now, 5-minute chart kind of reaching out through here again. million question. I think you should have a list of people coming to the BDH. Just a live list. That might be cool, like a calendar. A calendar on onlyprofirms.com that shows who's coming when. Could be cool. Could be cool. Kind of like an economic calendar, but BDH guest appearance calendar. Wait, you never went offline? Yeah, we went to Chipotle. We came back. Just got back from Chipotle. Long morning. We traded this morning until about 12:30, which is pretty long for me. Ooh, just got a notification from my Charles Schwab account that my wire transfer has been approved. But now the market's... I was hoping the market was not going to be going up today. Cause I need ya. Waleed. Patrick, I will come to the BDH from Saudi Arabia. Ooh. That seems pretty worldwide right there. I don't know where Saudi Arabia is, but I mean, that seems like it ain't close to America. You must come to South Africa. I gotta come everywhere. Should bring Jay Duns to the BDH. No, I'm gonna pass on that. Thank you though. That good, bad idea, but thanks for the offer. All right, right now NASDAQ just kind of stuck here. Don't really see any reason to do anything yet. We might not even get a trade here, honestly. Just kind of being patient, right? That's all. That's all we're going to do. There's that little pump kind of like right back up there to the 50s. I mean, ideally, maybe we kind of get like a breakout here above that 900 level, end of day, push back up into that middle of that 15-minute range again. Bring John Hogue to the BDH. I think he's too old. This is not a retirement home. The BDH is not a fucking retirement home, boys. This ain't no fucking retirement home. We don't bring in fucking old retired traders. We bring in the best of the best. There you go. It's not the limp dick house. No limp dickin'. Who's on Ninja Trader Live? They got 400 people watching. Imagine having a company, right? Like having a $1 million company and then having a live stream, and then people watching the guy at the BDH more than watching your live stream. That's got to be sad. I'd be sad. I'd be sad if there was some guy on YouTube with the place called BDH and he had more views than me. I'd be sad about that. Patrick, why is your photo in the journal? Because I told everybody it's time to buy the dip. I told him last week. I told the reporter last week, buy the dip. Buy the dip on the NASDAQ, baby. We're in the journal. You simply just don't get put in the journal for nothing. I'm taking this all the way to the bank, boys. Look at that. All the way to the fucking bank. Beautiful, beautiful man in the newspaper. No, a reporter from the Wall Street Journal hit me up, actually, wanted to interview me about what I was doing here in the markets, and I'll kind of read what I said. Basically, the whole story is, where did it start at? I don't know. Wait, did it start on the front page? On B1. Where's B1 at? Which one's fucking, how do you know which the page? Oh, yeah. In the story, she goes, more investors are flocking to havens like cash, gold, and bonds, but a small group of younger traders are going on an offensive. Instead of retreating to safety, they're making even bigger riskier bets, snapping up short-term options, piling in on one or two stocks, and wagering that in a chaotic market, the swings that can be steep, losses will deliver them with even bigger wins. Patrick Wieland, I said, the kids these days say, no risk, no Rory, said Patrick Wieland, a content creator and day trader who has, in recent weeks, poured thousands of dollars into ProShares Ultra Pro QQQ. Shares of the fund, a triple leverage ETF that aims to generate 3 times a daily performance. During the historic rally, but are still down more than 20%. And I said, I think you got to be aggressive, he said, when you have such big swings in the market. It's hard. It's hard to be risk adverse. Not bad. My first quote, we'll see if it pays off. It might end up being a Jim Cramer moment, you know? We never know. Might be but yes, I have a quote in the fucking Wall Street Journal that says, no risk, no Rory. I mean, I think that's a pretty fucking big accomplishment right there, my friends. Patak must hate me? Oh my God, are you kidding me? If he was in the fucking Wall Street Journal, we'd never hear the end of it. We would never hear the fucking end of it. But yeah, I'm just sitting back here. This is that TQQ trade I'm talking about. You can see TQQ up today about 7%. Big move up to the 50 area. I mean, this is basically the TQQ is a 3 times ETF that follows the NASDAQ. So this is kind of like the ultimate way of being a degenerate in the market. Is trading the TQQ. Back there in April, beginning of April, was down about 36 bucks. You know what I like too right now is Palantir. Palantir looking really fucking nice right now. I bought some Palantir. Where's my average at on this bitch? Show my love to you. It's so weird, like buying stocks long term and holding on to them. You know, it's like a weird. It's just weird. When you're a trader, it's like weird to like get out of that. Dude, Charles Schwab it's just terrible. Yeah, my cost per share on Palantir right now is $90. $90.30. So, I don't even know how, what did I, whoa. On the 21st is when I bought that. So, I guess it would have been in here. Yeah. I might have bought, hey, if this just keeps going up, I'm a genius, baby. We'll see. We'll see. Patrick, can we open up a BDH here in San Diego? Oh, man, worldwide. Multiple locations, franchises. I don't know if we're... What? Sorry, I'm answering a message. I'm over here just trying to get everybody to come to the BDH. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. Where's my dates? All right. NASDAQ. Right now, I'm moving down there, 18,800 again. Ooh. That low earlier down there, 750. That was that level we were looking at during the live stream earlier. And, well, look at it, getting tapped. Now where do we go? Paloma Mir, have you ever smoked weed? What's weed? Yes, I'm 36 years old. I've done everything at least once. Paul Moses will be here at the BDH next week. Look at that. He got 200 ticks. Paul, I hope to God you do not show up talking about fucking ticks. I hope to God. Patrick does weed. Everybody unsubscribe. Oh, buddy. He does weed. I miss my life. Was it fun having Seth Rogen at the stream this morning? Everybody had different... Some people said he looked like Seth Rogen. Some people said he looked like Rips. He talked like Rips. I don't even know. What's the watch? It's an AP. AP. It's hard to like get it to focus there, but Audemars Piguet. Red folder event. Dakota choked on Patak's dick. Oh yeah, I know that. That's an everyday occurrence. Will you get another trade? I'm going to try, man. I'm working on it. Really, I am trying. Just waiting to be patient here. Joseph Rivera. Hey, Patrick, I have my own prop firm down here in Miami. What's the name of it? Did you get any trades this morning? Yes, we traded this morning. I did it live on YouTube. If you didn't watch, well, you missed out. We had a beautiful trade this morning. Absolutely beautiful. It was real nice. It was a real nice trade, chat. Real nice. It's on my mind. I'm leaving space, but you behind. Nathan Fuller, what's my P&L? I don't know, man. It's up. It's green. I don't do the math. I don't sit here. I just let it be. My P&L today don't matter. My P&L tomorrow don't matter. The P&L after that don't matter. It's just P&L, you know? Until it's in my bank account, it don't matter. Sunny Singh, good night. Good night, India. All right, we're dipping. Fuck. Just kind of stuck there riding those EMAs right now. We had that EMA cross there earlier at the 914s. This 850 area turning into resistance for now. See how she goes. Joe Quar trades going long. Okay. Still got plenty of time here till the 350 algorithm kicks in. Interesting candle as well. We got like right down there to that 784 area and bounce for now. We'll see how that plays. When Patrick starts to sing the skies part, Eagles salute, and Bruce Lee's spirits nods in respect, and Chuck Norris instantly starts dancing. God, can you talk dirty to me now? Talk dirty to me now. Hey, I like it. I like it. It's so weird when I don't trade on my own computer and I trade on the other computer over there. It's weird coming back over here and like looking at all the charts again, because now I've got all my charts, where on the other computer over there I only have two screens. It's weird. Under pressure. Fucking A. This is kind of what I didn't want to happen here in terms of this just kind of bleeding out end of day. I'm not long, I'm not short, but we'll see what happens with this previous area of support. Do we double bottom here? I mean, I'm looking for a trade, just being patient. I said I was going to wait until we got closer till the end of day here, 350. So, pressure.
inertia, under pressure.
Fuck. There we go. Lower. Damn it. Still just kind of bleeding out here. The EMA's crossed. Why did you not enter? Well, I could have probably entered here short, but that was at like right at 3 o'clock. So I was just hoping to kind of be patient. And then, she's going. This is what I didn't want to happen here. She's just dipping. Someone says, what do I think about ICT? I don't know. I don't really think about them, to be honest. People always be asking me the weirdest questions. Patrick, what do you think about ICT? I don't know. He's ICT, bro. That's what I think about him. Patrick, what do you think about what the chat thinks about when you're thinking about things to think about? Oh, that's Inception right there. Got 100 contracts at the 750s. That was a key level there earlier. Patrick, how important is the 1 hour or 15-minute candle? Very important. If you want to save yourself a lot of heartache, right before that 15-minute candle closes, see where it closes at. Wow. All right, we push back up here. Testing that 18,800 level. Do we build out a bear flag here now? Kind of holding up here for now at this low. That moment of truth where it's just going to either hold this low here or sell back down. There's your 15-minute candle open, close. We're holding it up right there at the 70s again. That big buyer is still down there at the lows. Just kind of chopping there. Gets back up there above the 800s. Could squeeze back up pretty quickly. All these shorts down here at the lows right now. Oh, Lord. Back above the 800s now. She's wild. Held those lows down there again. That big buyer at the 750s holding up. Getting back above the EMAs here as well on the 1-minute chart. This music is going insane right now. God. Got to get back above that 21 EMA here. End of day. Five-minute chart pushed right back up there to that EMA again. What's going to happen here end of day? We got key level here is going to be 800s. We saw that big buyer down at the 750s. My coach gave you 90% off at Apex? Fuck yeah, baby. PW gets you the best deals. Always. Trump talks at 5 o'clock. Ooh, buddy. Oh, buddy, buddy, buddy. Heading back down there. That big buyer at the 750s is still there. And straight back down to the 68s again. We're going to lose this low, probably. Let's see if we lose that low there. There we go. 750s again, getting tapped. Stay together. There she goes. Lost that 750 area. All that support was there. It got sold into. Now let's see what they'll do. If they'll pump this, pump it back up. There she goes. 750s now. Oh, she's still going lower. Classic. Someone said, tell me that you shorted that, Patrick. Oh, come on, boys. Mama didn't raise no bitch. But I did cover. So I might be a bitch. Shorted here in my live real money account. Just locked it in. I did not trade this account this morning because I was on my other computer over there. So those computers over there, this is my normal trading setup. And then was able to lock that in there. But right now, up $2,000 today. Started this account with a $50,000 balance. Right now, we're at $78,670. Market still kind of moving down there. Through the lows now, that bear flag playing out beautifully. I think I might be done in that account today. This is Optimus Futures. Optimus Futures. Just stay together. Yeah. Don't I show the trades? I mean, I put the line on the chart before the trade happened. I don't know. I don't know. Whatever. Fuck, are we going to start dumping here now? That's the question. End of day. Where are we going? End of day here. We're going back to 18,400 tomorrow. Oh, no. Makes sense. We got yesterday's close all the way down there, 18,400. We got about 10 minutes here. 10 minutes until the 350 algorithm kicks in, boys. Let's go. Yeah, yeah. Baby, baby. Ugh. Oh. Ugh. Can you explain the differences in the membership tiers? Yeah, so basically, the first membership, you get to view the live stream. The second membership, you get to view the live stream. And the third membership, you get to view the live stream. I don't know. Pretty good. Cause I just wanna be together. Yeah, yeah. Oh, VIP, you do not get to view the live stream anymore. That's a totally different room. I really, you know what would be the best thing ever is if I could actually ban people from being able to watch the live stream. Like, that would be some funny shit. Be some funny shit. Someone said trade logic. Well, right now, we had a little bear flag. It played out. We got stuck below the 21 EMA. And sold back down there. I took a small scalp for about a 20-point scalp. Knowing that we had all that support down there at the 750s, I was not looking for a big drop through there just yet. Maybe at 350 it happens, but for now, I'm happy with that. If you're just now tuning in, there's my trade. Shorted there below the 80s, covered at 57. And now she's squeezing back up. And well, again, this is a real money account. This is not a prop firm account. This is real deal money, 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 money. And you can see locking in $2,000 there. I did not trade this account this morning because Optimus Futures, you got to load it onto your computer. And I don't have it on my live stream computer over there. I only have it on this computer, so. You didn't scalp. Stop. What does that mean? I scalped it. What does that mean? Remember that you blocked me on X, but bro, I've got 10 accounts. Pfft. He got me, didn't he? Really proved a point. I mean, I might as well quit now. This guy he's got 10 accounts, and I blocked him. Are those your old McLaren? No, those are the Lambo wheels, the STO wheels. What company do you use for self-funding? I use Optimus Futures. We got 8 minutes here until this 350 algorithm. I'm just gonna be patient. Anything could happen right now, and that's what I don't like that. Do you have any Apex accounts? I do, yes. I do have Apex accounts. I mean, they're 90% off. You know, how are you going to pass up on a 90% deal? You ain't. You ain't going to do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. We are green in the Apex funded accounts. These are PA accounts. I made a little bit of money this morning on those two. Don't worry though, it's totally normal. I no, consistency rule. We don't care about that. We don't care about that. But in terms of consistency rule, I actually I made 13,000, or no, I made 13,000 in those two accounts yesterday. So we'll be all right. We'll be all right. You know, hey, when you're the biggest and you're the largest on YouTube, the rules for the normal people do not apply. You know? Do you go live often? Every morning, baby, 9 a.m. All right. Just kind of sitting back here, waiting and watching. End of day here. We got about 5 minutes. Pairwiser. Thanks, bro. Is it another bear flag? Could be. You got to be careful here at the end of the day. You got to be very careful because you know what happened. We've seen it too many times where you think, oh, it's a beautiful short, and then it just starts ripping to the fucking moon at 350. So I'm just going to, either way, just kind of sit back and be patient. What I do not want to do is, you know, get my face ripped off here end of day. I just would like to avoid that, you know. It's not good for anybody. Trust me. I have done it enough times to know that it's just not a good plan. Like if I get short right here, you know, maybe it drops, but also maybe it rips to 820. And that ain't worth it. It ain't worth it, you know, so. Look at it. It looks scary. If I was short right now, I'd be scared. I'd be real scared if I was short right here. After 4 p.m., do you still trade? No. Goose Fraba. PW, are you seeing a bear flag? I mean, I see it. But, like I said, that 350 algorithm, you know? Miles said he flipped a coin. He's going short at 350. Oh, fuck. Well, we're going to find out. Someone says they don't like the spread between the 9 and the 21. That's something to think about. Which way we think we're going to go, chat? Up or down? Up or down? We got a poll. We got 1 minute. Hurry, chat. Hurry. Vote, 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 vote. Vote, chat. Vote. $12 seconds. Right now, the chat says up 59%, 41% down. Fuck, does that mean you just go long and short at the same time and hope and fucking pray? Scary either way. Well, she pumped. The chat was right. The chat never loses. And that's why you can't just get short. Because of that right there. It just fucking pumped right to the moon. Oh, God. Now I see people in the chat saying, go short, go short. Oh, relax, will ya? You psychopaths. NASDAQ up there to the 840s. Do they keep this party going? Back up to the 18,900 area would be funny. They popped it above the high here, up there to the 840s. Now what do they do with it? It's kind of like no movement right here now. Bounce off that EMA there, that kind of the 21 EMA, which is kind of funny. Pairweiser bought getting an Audi RSQ8 because of me. Still looks like it wants to go higher. Just how high can she go, though? Kind of just curling up here. Break through the 840s there next. Got the 355 algorithm coming up there. Let's see. I feel like 840 kind of pushes it right back up into this 900 level again. Trying to push through the 40s there. Pushing through the 40s. Ooh. Bearish says that he added more shorts. Okay, boys, it is time. We're going straight to the fucking moon. He's adding shorts. Bye, 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 bye. Oh, man. Up there to the 860s. Nice little 20-point pop through the 840, 860 level. Let's see what happens here in 2 seconds. Oh, God. Just a little bit uneventful here. I was hoping for more. I wanted to see more. Got a little bull flag there on the 5-minute chart right now, back above the EMAs there. Blah. Blah, blah, blah. Let me look. I want to look at something here. Look at this Look at this weekly candle right now. The big question for me is, like, had that low, we had a higher low. Is this a big old bear flag, or are we going to kind of like, maybe we fill this gap tomorrow? We could like fill that gap tomorrow, put in that Thursday, Friday, push up. Hard to say. It's kind of uneventful. Uneventful here, so. The Jokor trades. I prematurely took profit at 860 for 90 points. Nice work. The Jokor trades. We are going down about 3,000 points over the next few days. Where do you guys, where do you get this? Like, where do people come up with this shit? Like, what? What is he talking about? 3,000 points in the next 2 days. Come at me next week when we're down 3,000 points. Okay, bro. Like, get a little, like, hey, I'm all for, try to, like, predict where the market's going to go. But if we go down 3,000 points from here, we would be all the way down to this level. You tell me. What do you think's going to, come on now. You gotta be kidding me, bro. That's not even like a real idea. 3,000 points. PW, aren't you old? Yeah, bro. How much? You want to go to the VIP room? Joe Core trades. If it goes down 3,000 points in the next few days, I'll pay you $100,000. How about that? If the market goes down 3,000 points in the next few days, I will pay you $100,000 cash. Because, again, like, I'll be amazed. All right, NASDAQ. Just kind of closing there in no man's land. So, there it is. Woo! I got some photos of my truck. Woo! All right. That's it. Power hour. It's finished. I'm walking away. I'm happy with that. I'm going to take my profits, close it out, go do something else. Enjoy the rest of the day here in sunny South Florida. If you guys are just tuning in for the first time ever, hit that like button, subscribe button. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. We do this live every single day. Peace to the Middle East, chat. Show up. Come correct tomorrow, people. Come correct. I'll see you guys later on. Peace to the Middle East.